Right, trying to fly my helicopters. Little helicopters. So I painted eyes on this one. Turn him on. Flashy, flashy. Woo. Right, spin down there. Where's this controller? No batteries. Right, do the batteries quick then, I suppose. Give me controller. Let's see if I can find them. Sammy might have used them all on Skylanders and all that. Ah, there's 4 here. I found 4. Very good. Blue ones. I bought off the internet from China. 3,000 Ma. I don't know if they're good ones, but I think they are. Right. Where's the Wii? Just when you want the Wii, right? You can't find it. It's normally chucked out. Just chuck it down on the floor, Dad. I don't. Oh, there they are. With my batteries in. 1 and 2. 2 batteries. Finally fitted in. Put the door on. It'll probably fall out of my hand. And the batteries are dead. It doesn't turn on. It don't like it. I'll come back when I got it working. Okay.